Hi, in this demo, I'll showcase how OnSurvey can be used for pre-hire data intake use cases. OnSurvey is a built-on Workday application that allows Workday users to create, send, and receive surveys all within Workday itself. OnSurvey is available in the Workday marketplace. Feel free to check it out. The first is creating the survey. OnSurvey has a comprehensible, rich survey templates that you can drag and drop and put together a survey very quickly. Typically, organizations will have a pre-hire survey form that they use Google Forms or PDFs, spreadsheets, email, Smartsheet to send it out, get the response, store it externally, and integrate it with Workday and other systems. We will show you how it's very simple and straightforward to design a data intake form and store it all within Workday itself. So the pre-hire information can contain onboarding information that are very specific to the team, the organization, scheduling information, IT level information, etc. Once this particular survey is set up, we offer a preview method to get started. Users can fill in the information and allow to get started where contain variety of form input controls. Pagination, information for variety of setup, etc. Once the survey is set up in the designer, we can configure the additional parameters in the Workday tenant. Here, let me define a pre-hire survey. I'll select the survey that I just configured. Here are the advantages. Like say, for example, a survey or an intake response is received. Who has access to view them? We can inherit the security policies within Workday. Who receives this data intake? Instead of manually sending it out, it can be automated. We have a event trigger mechanism where, let's say, I set it up for hire with an offset of, let's say, 1. Here, the system will automatically send the intake form to the new hire after the date of hire, one day after the date of hire. Similarly, you can use the offset if you want to introduce a delay. Here, I don't want to have authentication because the employee is just hired. They may not have the internal emails, etc. So you can define the disable the authentication. Here, you can specify how the user receives that intake form. An email would be ideal in this case. We can also do an SMS to send them a reminder or additional notifications, etc. And we have ability to configure the email message body to add additional elements. That's it. Once this particular survey is set up, the system will send the information. All the survey responses are stored within Workday. So when someone completes the survey, you will receive those survey responses within Workday itself, and the available data can be analyzed using a custom report, a prism, and worksheets depending on the choice within the Workday platform. Hope this is useful. If you have any questions, feel free to visit OnSurvey in the Workday marketplace. Thank you.